What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install AVG Antivirus on your Android phone. Go ahead and open up the Play Store and you want to go ahead and hit search. You can just go ahead and type in AVG Antivirus and you will go ahead and hit search. And you should be able to find it here on your phone. As you can see, it says AVG Antivirus. I'm going to click on install right there. Once this is done, you can go ahead and open up the application. Then click get started at the bottom right there. You can go ahead and click the X on the upper left hand side of it. Then you can click on allow. And as you can see here, I'm right in the app. You don't have to go ahead and upgrade. As you can see right here, it's telling you about you can purchase monthly subscription and so forth, or yearly subscription. Go ahead and click the X again. Click the X again, and it's right here. You can see that I'm now in the app. You can even go ahead and scan for now, or you can skip for now if you want to as well. And here you can see continue with ads. You can click on that, then click on consent. And as you can see, I'm right in the app. At any point in time you want to go ahead and scan your phone, you can go ahead and you can use it. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.